What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually going to just go over the car where it sits right now. I know I just did it a couple weeks ago, but I figure I'll go ahead and do it with the new carbon stuff on there. So, finish out the year with that, and probably the next time you see it after this video, it might look a lot different, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a cold start and get into the video. Alright, since Christmas has passed, I do need to go ahead and take off the antlers and the nose, so I'll be doing that in a second. But I don't have my emblem on yet. I do have the LED emblem I need to install. Haven't got that installed just yet. But as you can see, I have the full carbon fiber impulse front bumper, as well as a full carbon fiber front fender. I'm not sure which version this is because I ordered the version 1, but they were discontinued, and this looks exactly like the version 1, so I'm not sure. They did say a different version number, but I don't remember which one. And then I have the carbon fiber hood. A lot of people have this style as well, but I like it, and I think it looks really good when it's wrapped in just those vents are left carbon. So I do have that done. Let's see, carbon mirror caps, as well as the roof is wrapped full black. I don't have a lot of people were surprised, but I don't have a sunroof on there. And let's go ahead and car is bagged, as you can see. Airlift 3P for the management. As far as the struts, I actually have Low Life Projects custom struts. They are the ones who also installed the system for me. I have carbon fiber M-style wing and carbon overlay. It says Skyline. And excuse the car being so dirty. And I'm actually gonna wrap this because I'm tired of it looking horrible. Like, it needs to be polished all the time. So I'm gonna take the stickers off and probably just wrap it. But yeah, that's the simple setup I have right here. Carbon diffuser. I need to replace, so I don't have a cover over the brake light. It popped off, and it looks like it's about $40, but I keep hearing that that's a common issue where it just keeps popping off. So yeah, still need to do that. Just been lazy. I have an Infiniti full exhaust as well. Let's see, Rotini RFS 1.5 wheels, 20 by 10, positive 35 offset all the way around. This was my setup I had on my Altima, so I didn't get anything set for this just yet, so that will be changing. I do have the sequential RGB lights in the mirror caps as well, but yeah, it's not a crazy amount done to the car. Definitely a lot since I've had the car, because I've had it for a year now. Well, almost a year. In about 3 weeks it'll be a year. So almost a year. Been at the house for almost a year as well. That'll be in like 3 days. That'll be a year. So, but yeah, this is where she's sitting. I haven't really done anything to the inside yet. I do have a lot of my lighting already, just not installed. I have the emblem like I mentioned before. I got my underglow, I have my star headliner. So all that will be coming soon. And the car will be getting wrapped here in the next couple days. But yeah, let me go ahead and get these things off really quick. Alright, antlers have been removed. I'm probably gonna keep that on for now until I get the emblem installed. Just leave that as it is. I am going to get the DRLs to put, sequentials to put in there, because without them and just the lights down there on, it does a hyper flash when I have the turn signal on. So right now on the front, the only turn signal is from the mirror caps. So go ahead and get that installed, and we'll be pretty good. But yeah, I've only taken this out once since I've had the full carbon front end in terms of a meet. I haven't even really been driving it that much because I ain't really got a code or anything, so I'm limited that for now. I haven't even washed it since I had it either. But I did, when I went out to that first the meet, I have some footage from that, so I'll go ahead and add that on in here. I'm not sure if I ended that one, so if you see a daytime footage, I didn't end that one. And today I'm gonna be heading on over to Speed Zone Orlando for a meet. This is gonna be one that we are hosting. This will be the first time I'm really going out since I had the carbon fiber on the car, so should be nice to get a few reactions to see what people think about it. And as you can see, I got the 2 bumpers over there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start and head on over because there's a lot of traffic right now on I-4. Alright, so my bad for not recording it, but it had some pretty good reactions to the car.
I forgot to as well.
Go ahead and turn it off.
What's that?
But yeah, we got the lineup out here. Starting over here. I wish. But yeah, this is just the a little chill spot, and go walk around and hit up a few of the squads, talk to them. Got Street Elegance over in the corner over there. I'm gonna go see the cars. Team Lenzo over here.
Found, he was walking through the store, and he found it with open it.
All right, so yeah, we over here. We need to get some banners, but yeah, that's the Street Elegance side over here. I gotta see where his antlers are. Oh, he probably can't put them on. Yeah, because he got the visor. I don't know. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Okay, so yeah, I figured I did forget to go ahead and close out the video, but yeah, so here we are. That was just a little bit of me at a meet after. Actually, that was before, like I said. Oops, sorry. But yeah, going into the next year, I believe the first video, the car should look a lot different. My first video may be a channel trailer. I didn't do one for 2023 at all. So I'll go ahead and do one for 2024. So that'll probably be the first video of 2024. But yeah, let me go ahead and end this because it's tripping. So let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.